I'm so excited to share with you this new video as part of my From Ordinary to Fab Home series, where I show you how to take an ordinary home and turn it into a lovely, fabulous place. Today I will be sharing with you some elegant living room design ideas. I transformed this space in a month, and I'm going to show you exactly how I designed it and all the details of this room. I absolutely am in love with this room. I was going for a clean look, so I stuck with elegant and luxe for the theme. I used the design software for free online to give me an idea of what I was trying to achieve. However, the software didn't offer the exact furniture I wanted, but at least it gave me an idea of the space dimensions and the colors in the room. I have to say that I nailed my design, and it turned out even better than I could have imagined. First, always start with the theme and a color scheme. My color scheme for this room was ivory and white, but I mixed in some different textures and colors to add various elements for my style. So let's get all the details. First, your furniture design is important. The chair, sofa, and ottoman are made by Meridian and are very modern. I love that they have acrylic legs. I got this set in the color of cream and the texture is velvet. They each come with pillows and are fully tufted in the front as well as all the sides. The furniture also comes with nail trim, which adds such a nice element of glam. The furniture is firm yet soft enough for very comfortable seating. I purchased this set online from a furniture site called Hey Needle, and I will leave the links to these exact pieces below. I adore this furniture set. The rug is a cream with black lines and is made from wool. It is an 8x10 and I purchased this from Tuesday Morning for about $200. The rug is so amazingly soft and speaks luxe. I can literally sleep on this rug. It's so soft. The coffee table is made of faux marble and has a piece of glass in the top and came from Overstock. I think it fits in this room perfectly. It's modern, it's glam, and the marble adds an element of elegance to the room. Now, for accessories. The flower was $7.99 from Ross. The bowl from Home Goods and the vase from Ross as well for $14.99. The floral vase also came from Ross. The gold table was $27.99 from Ross and the white vase was from Ross. The glass candle holders I just had laying around the house. The vases above the fireplace was also $12.99 each from Ross, and the small gold vase also came from Ross. The painting I purchased from the Z Gallery outlet in Atlanta. They have pieces for near a quarter of the price as they are in store and online. I would definitely recommend checking them out. The painting above the couch was also a Z Gallery outlet find. It's really big and it matches this room perfectly. The end table also came from the gallery outlet. The table is in white with designs on the front drawers. The table also comes with gold handles, so if you want to change out the silver handles, you can do that as well to gold. The lamp I also purchased from the Z Gallery outlet. It's flower petals and it's made of glass. The floor vases also came from Ross and are made from mosaic mercury glass, and I absolutely love these. I think they match the room just amazingly great. I love the view outdoors and I don't have any curtains up. I may add some later, but for now the view is just gorgeous without it. those are all the details for creating this elegant formal living room. I hope I inspired you. Drop me a comment and let me know your thoughts. Be sure to follow along so that you don't miss out on any of the rest of the series from ordinary to fab. If you would like to see our empty house tour, I will link it below. I will be transforming many rooms in this house and giving you guys so many tips, so be sure to follow along.